So I was at the market yesterday and I picked up these beautiful purple onions. I snipped off the bottoms. Over here are the greens, which I'm going to make a pesto to. But today I'm going to pickle the bottoms. So what I'm going to do first is soak them in a salt water solution. So I'm going to pack them in to my mason jar. Pack them down. I've pre-measured my salt. And then I'm just going to fill it up with water. And just so you guys know, coming up June 11th is Water Day. So I'll tell you guys more about that soon. I'm going to put a lid on it, seal it up, and put it straight into my fridge. 24 hours from now, it'll be good to go.